So, students, moving further to the next part of the chapter is seals. More than 2000 seals have been found so far. They are flat, square, or rectangular in shape and are made of clay, stone, and copper. So, when the archaeological dug the remains of the Indus Valley civilization, they found 2000 and more seals, and the shape of the seals they were either flat or square or rectangular in shape, and they were made of which material? They were made of either of clay, stone, or copper. They have human and animal figures such as that of a bull, buffalo, goat, tiger, and elephant, with a few picture like signs on the top. So the seals were having the figures of a bull, buffalo, goat, tiger, and elephant, and there were few pictures like the signs on the top. The seals were probably used by merchants to stamp their goods. So, what were these seals used for? To stamp their goods. The seals inform us about the artistic skills, trade contacts, dress, ornaments, religious beliefs, and the script of the Indus people. So, what do these seals tell us about? They tell us about that how skilled the artists were during that time. They tell us about the trade contacts. They had trade contacts with which other civilizations, about the dress people wore, the ornaments they wore, and the religious beliefs, and even the script of the Indus people. Now, coming up to the quick quiz, children, please complete it in your book. Name an Indus site in Haryana. The answer is Banavali. The great granary is found in Lothal. True or false? It is false. And the correct answer is Mohenjo-daro. Dash and barley were the main crops cultivated. So the answer is wheat. Why did the Indus people wear amulets? The Indus people wore amulets to ward off OFF, the evil spirits. So OFF is not visible, but it is of OFF, the evil spirits. The Indus people obtained gold from South China or South India. So the answer is South India. Coming up next is the script. The Indus script has been engraved on numerous seals found from various sites. So we could find the Indus script on various seals which have been found at various Indus sites while excavating. It is the earliest form of writing discovered in India. The script is pictographic. So the script is in the form of pictures. It consists of signs that are like pictures representing words, objects, and ideas. Unfortunately, the script has not yet been deciphered. Means the pictographic script, it contains some signs or pictures representing words, objects, and ideas, but it is very unfortunate that the script has not yet been deciphered. Means the people have not been able to find out what the Indus people wanted to convey, what they wanted to tell us. So it has not been deciphered, but the script is pictographic, and it is the earliest form of writing discovered in India. Now, towards the end, decline. Historians differ regarding the causes that led to the decline of the Indus Valley civilization. So more to know is only for reading. It will not be coming in your exam. The statue of the priest king, named so because he appears to be either a priest or a king or both, as was discovered in Mohenjo-daro in 1927. He has a beard and is shown wearing a headband and an embroidered shawl. So moving on to the next page. So decline. Some of the causes suggested are as follows. So, historians have different views regarding the decline of the Indus Valley civilization. So, the first cause is natural disasters such as earthquakes, floods, or diseases might have been the cause for the decline of the Indus Valley civilization. A change in the course of River Indus. River Indus might have changed its path. A change in cropping pattern suggested by new findings from Bhirana. So people might have changed the cropping pattern. So this is the latest findings which is from Bhirana. Though the civilization ended abruptly, it has provided us with an important link to the past. So it ended all of a sudden, but it has provided us a lot of important information about the past, and we could link ourselves to the past through reading this, knowing about this civilization. Now children, these new words are very very important. You must learn all these new words, and if possible, please make it a point that you write of this chapter in your notebook. These all new words you write in your notebook also towards the end, after completing up with short answer type questions.